What if I told you that 18,000 years ago, deep in the Ice Age, humans were not just hunters, but also the hunted? New research has uncovered chilling evidence from a cave in Poland, human remains that bear unmistakable signs of cannibalism. But why? Was it survival, or something far more sinister? In Maszycka Cave, researchers unearthed 63 human bones dating back 18,000 years, belonging to at least 10 individuals. But these weren't just any ancient remains. They were marked with deep, deliberate cuts, clear evidence that these bodies were systematically dissected right after death. Muscle attachments stripped, scalps removed, and long bones shattered. Why? To get to the rich, calorie-packed bone marrow. The people responsible for this? A society known as the Magdalenian, famous for their incredible cave art like the masterpieces at Lascaux. But while they created beauty on cave walls, they may have also engaged in dark, violent rituals. And here's where things get even more disturbing. Experts believe this wasn't simple survival cannibalism. The Magdalenian people lived in relatively stable conditions with plenty of resources, so why eat their own? The evidence suggests a darker possibility: violent conflict and ritual cannibalism. Professor Thomas Terberger from the University of Göttingen suggests that as the Ice Age ended, human populations grew, leading to territorial battles. And in some cases, the ultimate fate of the defeated was being consumed. In Maszycka Cave, human bones were mixed with settlement debris, with no sign of careful burial, suggesting these victims were not honored in death, but discarded like trash. So what really happened in this Ice Age crime scene? A brutal war, a terrifying ritual, or a story we have yet to fully uncover? What do you think? Were these early humans victims of a brutal massacre, or was cannibalism part of their ritualistic culture? Drop your theories in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical revelations. LG News.